beef and broccoli. Ingredients: 1 1/4 pounds flank steak thinly sliced. 1 tablespoon plus 1 teaspoon vegetable oil divided use. 2 cups broccoli florets. 2 teaspoons minced fresh ginger. 1 teaspoon minced garlic. 1/4 cup oyster sauce. 1/4 cup beef broth or water. 1 teaspoon sugar. 2 teaspoons toasted sesame oil. 1 teaspoon soy sauce. 1 teaspoon cornstarch. Salt and pepper to taste. Directions: heat 1 teaspoon of oil in a large frying pan over medium heat. Add the broccoli and cook for approximately 4 minutes or until tender. Add the ginger and garlic to the pan and cook for 30 seconds more. Remove the broccoli from the pan, place on a plate and cover. Wipe the pan clean with a paper towel and turn the heat to high. Add the remaining tablespoon of oil. Season the steak pieces with salt and pepper and add them to the pan in a single layer. You may need to do this step in batches. Cook for 3-4 minutes on each side until browned and cooked through. Add the broccoli mixture back to the pan and cook for 2 more minutes or until warmed through. In a bowl, whisk together the oyster sauce, beef broth, sugar, sesame oil and soy sauce. In a small bowl, mix the cornstarch with a tablespoon of cold water. Pour the oyster sauce mixture over the beef and vegetables, cook for 30 seconds. Add the cornstarch and bring to a boil, cook for 1 more minute or until sauce has just started to thicken.